Good day to you. I recently bought the Insta360 X4, the 8K 360 action cam. But obviously, if you want to take good footage or videos, you actually need to buy the accessories. Now, I tried using these, but you can understand what my problem is that this camera is rather big, and if you put it onto your car or wherever, this clamp that I previously used, I don't think it will carry the weight, and especially if you still want to put a selfie stick as well on it. So what I've done is I've actually bought the motorcycle bundle. Now this is obviously for motorcycles, but you can also adapt it to if you have perhaps a roof rack on your car, and then you can actually make use of it as well. So let's just have a look and see what is in the box. Alright, so it's out of the box. So first of all, if you look at this here, this is the heavy duty clamp. It really feels strong, and I think this is much better, especially for the purpose I'm going to use it. So this has really feel good quality. Now with this bundle, you also get this self-adhesive, which you can actually put onto your window or wherever. It is obviously another way of mounting your camera. There's two of them. Then you have the wrench tool. So obviously to tighten these well, you got to actually tighten them very well, wherever you're going to put it. And you got a hex tool, and you got a thumb screw. There's actually two of them. There's three of them. And then you have the quarter. You got a quarter to 2-prong. Now immediately you can also see these are not just glued in. These are really quality. And there's two of them, and then there's obviously 1 quarter to 3-prong, and also you can feel it's a really good quality. Yeah, so that's basically what is in the box. I'm definitely going to try this on my vehicle and see how that goes. So please watch further videos on that. Please subscribe as well. Thank you so much.